Hestan refrigerator model GRFR24-BK error codes. Preserve your perishables with this 24-inch Hestan outdoor refrigerator drawer. The spacious 5.2 cubic feet storage capacity lets you store everything from drinks to veggies, while the bright LED lighting illuminates the interior from all angles, enhancing visibility. This Hestan outdoor refrigerator drawer comes with locking drawers that ensure food items are secure. Error codes. Code: power failure. Problem: prolonged interruption of electrical power. The appliance resumes operation automatically. The display shows the warmest temperatures achieved. Code: door fridge open, fridge door open. Problem: the message appears after a few minutes from the door opening. Code: fresh zone open. Problem: fresh zone drawer open. The message appears after a few minutes from the drawer opening. Code: replace filter. Problem: replace filter cartridge. Message appears when only 30% of LTER capacity is left. Code: fridge too warm. Problem: fridge too warm. Code: fridge too cold. Problem: fridge too cold. Wait for 12 hours. Code: fresh too warm. Problem: fresh zone compartment too warm. Code: fresh too cold. Problem: fresh zone compartment too cold. Wait for 12 hours. Code: fresh zone too warm. Problem: freezer too warm. Code: fresh zone too cold. Problem: freezer too cold. Wait for 12 hours. Code: error code.